Yeah. Alright, hello guys. We are using Solvent GPT here to scalp the US 500 today. We've just come on live at market open, so I don't imagine there'll be too many people focused on what we're doing at the moment. You'll all be focusing on your own trades, but you can have this on in the background, listen to what calls we're making, um, enjoy the company.
Yeah, it looks like we are currently in a downward trend since, how long ago was that? Since around 1:30, the market's been dropping down. Hit market open about 2 minutes ago. And as we can see, quite a lot of consolidation, big moves up and down, wiping out a lot of stop losses. So there could be a trading opportunity developing over the next couple of minutes. We'll just see what we're given, any potential trades we can make, and what we can do using the GPT. First of all, we're going to ask for the economic calendar of the day, just to gauge what is happening in terms of US news that will impact what we're trading, the US 500, and any sort of risk that could be applied to our trades. As we can see, quite a lot of US related news coming out today. Uh, mm, yeah, so we're going to focus on the US, obviously. Um, some news coming out today. As we can see, the US 500 is dropping quite significantly. Maybe it is time. Oh, just bounce back up. So yeah, market open quite volatile at the moment. What we're going to do today, we're going to place some trades. We're also going to ask the GPT what it thinks in terms of undervalued trades, in terms of insider trades, any sort of crypto. Um, but yeah, any sort of tickers, drop it in the chat above, and we will dissect them on stream using our GPT. We're not only going to check the US 500, we will also take a look at gold, XAU to USD. We will have a look at euro to dollar, maybe dollar to, maybe pound to yen, sorry. So we'll take a look at all of these. Dollar to yen dropping quite significantly. Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, so we've just taken an image of dollar to yen. We've uploaded it to the GPT. Now we're going to analyze what the GPT believes. So it's going to give us any sort of technical analysis we need. It's going to give us the market sentiment, as well as the most important point, entry and exit points. So it will tell us exactly what we need to do to execute this trade with the most minimal risk possible. It will take into account any sort of news, any sort of geopolitical issues essentially around the world that could impact this trade, and it will give it to us in an easily digestible report that we can read through. So yeah, on a 1 minute time frame, it's recommended we sell, enter a short position around the current, and then we have 2 exit targets. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, I definitely think a short is plausible. So we're going to ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, exactly how confident our GPT is that the recommended strategy will work. Now, we've been given a 7. Now, I think before we take this trade, it's important to just to ask one more time. We'll update it on what's happened since then, and we'll give that to the GPT and make sure that our strategy is still ready to be taken into consideration. But yeah, how are we today, guys? Hopefully having a bit. Hopefully you're in a part of the world where the weather is a bit better than what we have currently raining. Drop a ticker in the chat. Any sort of ticker you want research done on, or if you want to see us trade it. If this software is, interesting, drop a comment below. Tell us what you want to see from us. If you want to potentially leverage or use this software for your trading, um, definitely do sign up for a demonstration down below in the description or the sort of bio of whatever streaming platform you're currently on. Yeah, big leg up. So we're just going to re-ask the what the GPT thinks in terms of its strategy. Will this leg up affect our trade? Now, it could look like, or it could go straight back up. It's very plausible. So we're just going to ask the GPT and see what it thinks. So it's recommended to buy. Oh wow, it's jumping up. I like this music. This music's good.
6 out of 10.
So 6 out of 10
Still very
recommendation.
volatile because the
Yeah,
market's just opened.
extremely volatile. Again, market has just opened. We will continue to monitor the what is taking place here. US 500 straight up, gone up by around $12. But yeah, how are you today, everyone? Hopefully having a nice day. If you're at work or you're at home watching, drop a comment. Looking at US 500 jumping back up. Recommending a long.
Tight take profit 5985.
7 out of 10. I think it would be important to re-ask it on the 5-minute time frame
Yeah.
and just see what it
So
believes.
you'll cover up to 5985. 5 minute time frame.
Sure. Five-minute time frame. What is the likelihood now? 6 out of 10. Volatility is high. Fantastic. How are we today? We've got some fire emojis in the chat from Joe. Let's go, Joe. How are you doing today, Joe? Right, gold looks like it's consolidating after a rather large drop. Currently at around 2,890. Quite a big drop. Give me all of the insider buys from this week. maybe we could take a trade on gold.
Yeah, so this software is not just for scalping and image recognition. It's got many features that it's equipped with. So that includes looking for exact investment strategies. So here we have a list of insider buys from this week. So here we can see a director purchased 5,000 shares, increasing their vested holdings by 100%. So a 10% owner bought 3 million shares, or 3.5 million, increasing their holdings by 56%. That is a pretty significant one there. 3.5 million shares. It's a lot of capital that is put back into the company. So let's have a quick look at how that stock is doing right now. Here we go. And this would be a long-term investment. So let's look at the chart. A lot of uncertainty here, the price. I have to zoom out even more. Yeah, I mean the stock price is all over the place here, as you can see. Um, Here it looks like there's bullish momentum um, since December of last year, and it's just been climbing since. It was at $3. Now it is at $9. It's done 300% within a good 2 months. Um, Must be, there's a good reason why he's bought 3.5 million shares, 3.6. Um, so let's dive deeper into SS Innovations. So we're asking, what do they do and are they undervalued? I'm just showing you that it's capable of doing long-term trades. Trying to see if we can scalp one of these stocks here. Might be able to do GBP here. Looks like there's a bit of a trend going on. Okay, so we've got quite a few products here. Quite a few. So it looks like medical sector, leadership, and so their aim is to improve lives through innovation by making advanced and affordable robotic surgery. Um, let's see, innovation, market position. Looks promising, um, but I do want to get in here with the GBP USD. So we're gonna take a screenshot of it. No, not a week time frame. Zoom back in here. Okay. Cheers. Let's get a screenshot, upload it to the GPT, and say this is a chart of USD GBP. Should I enter, and at what price? Where should I exit? Does look like it's retracing, it's consolidating at the moment, retracing downwards. Set some support, resistance lines. Anything you want to trade? The US 500. What are your thoughts?
So US 500 looks to have sort of broken out of that downtrend. Now, I think we should wait for it to go down a little bit, and then we could potentially catch a buy. Of course, this is going off of the recent break of structure to the upside. But we will wait, we will evaluate. At the moment, we're taking a look at dollar to pound, and we'll see if there's a potential setup from there. Um, yeah, if you're watching and you know exactly what you want to trade today, you want us to take a trade, drop a comment. We'll take a look at the ticker and we'll potentially take a trade. It's very interesting. That's very interesting. It could reach the 5990 sort of mark, or 598, maybe 7. I think that is. Dollar to pound. Oh, our Spice is back. Can Solvent scan the major currencies? Let's say all of the top 28 currency pairs, and he wants us to trade. I think that's Swiss dollar to yen. Is it Swiss dollar? I'm not sure what the actual currency is called, but I think that's the Swiss one. Francs, yeah, that's it. It's, yeah, absolutely. We can scan the majority or almost all of the major currencies. Or sorry, we can scan all of the major currencies. Um, we can conduct that in a minute. We will take a look at franc to the yen. So we're going to ask. So you're going long. Your target is 16, 167.50. Fantastic. So getting close to your target. What was your entry point, Al? Nah, you have to trust him. So just taking a look at the franc to the yen. Current price is around 167.30. So some financial news we're waiting on. In around 7 minutes, there should be some financial news that will come out. We will find that news and we will take a look at it. We will dissect it. So we are going to analyze the chart, use historical data. Uh, yeah, fantastic. The software is saying the feasibility of reaching 167.5, very, very possible, especially in the short term. So nothing to worry about. Very achievable target. So we're going to deeply analyze the chart, volume and momentum. We even have a 30-minute prediction. US 500 is jumping upwards. Of course, we're waiting on that financial news. We will find it out and we will potentially see whether it will affect our trade or not. Trade on pound to dollar. We're just verifying. We're asking concisely on a scale of 1 to 10 how likely this recommendation is to work.
Well, guys, right now we're just trying to find a spot to enter into the US 500. You can see there's this huge bullish candle here. Um, yeah, ever since the market's opened, it's just shot up. But, however, the GPT does say short at 5986. And take profit at 5960. Which is down here. As also for the likelihood of this happening, GPT is predicting that we're seeing a reversal here. Very imminent. 7 out of 10 as well. And so let's have a look. I think that's very possible. To 5960. Alright. We're gonna update the GPT one more time in 1 minute lapse time. And then yeah, we're gonna see if it's a 7 out of 10 again, and we're gonna go ahead and enter. If it's 6 out of 10, we're not gonna enter. Okay. What do we have here? So it still says short at 5987, and it still says to take profit. Okay, yeah, let's go for it. It's giving us the same result. Here's 500, we're gonna short it. Sell 100 contracts, yeah, fine. And we're gonna add our stop loss and take profit. So we've got stop loss 6,000 and a take profit of 5987. Sorry, 596. There we go. We're in the trade. The chart is showing. Let's see. Yeah, we might have caught this reversal here. But this we won't see anything happen for the next 20 or so minutes. We're gonna end the stream very promptly here. Home sales coming out in 30 seconds. Yep, exactly. We've got the news coming out.
How are you, Al? You okay? I think I spoke to you on Monday, maybe.
Meet GoDaddy Aero,
Oh, these
the AI
adverts.
experience that'll take your business idea online in minutes.
Go away. So yeah, we'll see how this trade plays out, but we do have to end the stream very shortly. But we'll keep it on air for a couple more minutes. Let's open this in trading.
Granulate it down.
Sure. We're just gonna take these time frames down slowly. We'll go into the 1 minute here. Interesting. Fantastic. Yeah, we are on the verge of closing the stream. We have exceeded our daily time on the stream. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. We will show you the results of this trade tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, everybody, and we'll see you soon.